What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have my June Boxycharm Base Box. So everybody pretty much knows all about Boxycharm, but for those of you who may not know, I do have a link to their website in my description box below. Without further ado, let's see what awesome things I got for the month of June. Okay, guys, so here's the box. Nice thick box this month. So I did already open it just to try to make things go a little bit faster for you guys because I didn't want to fumble around with things as I was trying to hurry up and do the video. And I got this shaking, which is awesome. We're not taking that out. Okay, so the theme for this month is Express Yourself. It's got all of the rainbow stuff on there. How cute is that? That is so awesome. I love it. So here's the card that explains everything that is in your box as well as the cost for everything. Yeah, there's the cost. I didn't tally it up again. That's not a surprise to anybody. I don't think I will ever remember to do that before filming one of these videos. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump in here. So the first thing is this Felician turmeric, is that how it's pronounced? Brightening polish. It's a face and body. Okay, here it is, you guys. I don't know if this will be something that I will use or not, to be honest with you. I'm not really sure if I'm going to keep this or put this in a giveaway. But here's what it looks like outside of the packaging. So it's pretty much the exact same thing as I just showed you. So let's go ahead and see what ounces do you get here. Oh, it's 4 fluid ounces or 120 milliliters. And let's see what the little card here has to say about it. What is this called? Volition. Why don't I see it? Oh, here it is. The value for it is $38. It just says it's an indulgent polishing scrub. So it's powered by turmeric to visibly brighten skin and reveal a natural looking glow. Well, how do you use it? Like, do you do it? Oh, here you go. How to use. Gently massage onto wet skin and leave on for 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Apply to face and body once a week. So this is something you only use once a week. I don't know. Let me think about it. Whether or not I keep it is still completely up in the air. So this next thing is Dr. Brandt Backlight Primer. Okay. Here's this. I think Dr. Brandt is a really good brand, so this probably will most likely be something that I will keep. This is 1 fluid ounce or 30 milliliters, and the cost is $38. So this is formulated to fade out your biggest beauty boundaries, such as fine lines, wrinkles, and pores. I'm keeping this, and if it works for $38, yeah, I would buy more. So there you go. There's that. Okay, so then I have this Haas Laboratories. It's a lipstick. I know it's a lipstick because I already opened it, but I hope you guys can see that. See, all I see is just like kind of a glare with my lights and stuff, but it says it's in the color Rye. I don't know if you guys are going to see that as well either, but there it is. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you the lipstick itself. Here it is. Here's the lipstick. Very pretty packaging. I like the packaging a lot. Okay, hold on. Open it up this way, and here's the color. Now, a lot of people don't like browns, but I personally love these kinds of colors. So here's what it's going to look like. Well, roughly what it's going to look like on my lips. Look at that. I think that is gorgeous. I love it, love it, love it. I'm definitely super excited about this. So that product is $20 in value. So that's not too bad. Okay, then I also got the Stay Calm by Give Them Lala Soothing Sheet Mask. You get 4 aloe-infused sheet masks. So here's the little box right here. And the sheet masks are individually packaged, and they look like this inside the box. I don't know. What's the top? What's the bottom? Here we go. Here's the top. Here's the bottom. So yeah, I'll definitely use these. I used to do face masks every single day, but lately my life has been so incredibly chaotic that I really haven't had time to every single day. So I kind of switched to every other day, but I still do masks quite frequently. The value for the sheet mask, for 4 sheet masks, $30. That's really pricey. I definitely won't buy those again. I'm just going to say that right now, even if I like them. Okay, unless they do amazing things. I mean, if they make they don't say they do this, but let's just hypothetically say they took all of my wrinkles away and it looked like I was in my 20s again. Yeah, I would pay more than that, quite frankly. Okay, Violet Voss Sunkissed Summer Palette is what I got. So here's the box and what it came in. Very pretty box. I like the box a lot. Not as stellar as the, what are they called? Juvia's Place. palette boxes. Wow, they're so pretty. But here it is outside of the box here. So that's what it looks like. And let's take a look at the palette. It does have a mirror. So I'm just going to block the mirror so you don't get more glare. With the box itself, look at that. That is a pretty palette. Now I'm pretty sure you got to choose the palette this time. So I think that this is indeed what I chose. I'm going to go ahead and swatch a couple though. Ugh. That is not going on very well. That wasn't a very good sound, was it? Okay. You know what? But on my eyes, I'm sure that they'll be fine. Okay. Let me try this Berry Hot. Let's see. Okay. So I'll be honest, it's not swatching very good on my skin, but you know what? That doesn't mean that I won't love it on my eyes. I know some people don't like to swatch because they think it's definitely not representative of what's going to be in your eyes. But for me, it gives me a good idea what colors I can pair together with my skin tone. So I do like to swatch before I even put anything on my eyes because I think it's very helpful in terms of deciding what colors will work best. All right, let's go ahead and see what the value is for that. $37 is the value for the palette. That's not too bad. I don't think it's super outrageous, but I most likely would not pay full price for that palette. I'm just saying. All right, if you guys let me pause for 1 second here, I'm going to go ahead and tally this up for you, and then we're going to wrap up the video. Okay, guys, so sorry about that, but honestly, I just don't think I will ever remember to do that before filming one of these videos. I just never can remember. All right, let's do a quick recap. So we have the Violet Voss Sunkissed Summer Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette. The value for that product was $37. Then we have the Volition Beauty Turmeric Brightening Polish. The value for that product is $38. Then we have the Dr. Brandt Backlit Primer. The value for that product was $38. And then we have the Haas Laboratories Glam Attack Liquid Shimmer Powder. Guys, I did not realize this is not a lipstick. Did not know that. So this is versatile. It's a shimmer liquid eyeshadow is what it says. It's a multifaceted shimmer liquid eyeshadow. So that will be really fun to try. Ooh, it's like completely dry on my hand right now. We're getting totally off track here, but you guys got to see that. That's pretty awesome. So I'm excited to play with it, but I truly thought that it was a lipstick. At any rate, the value for that product is $20. Then we have the Give Them Lala Skin Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Mask, and the value for that product was $30, making the total value for this month's box $163. So this one I think went up to $27 a month, but you do get a discounted rate if you pay for the year like I do. I really don't know what that is. So, I mean, you guys will just have to check out their website if you're curious about it. I do love my Boxycharm. I do not see me canceling this box at any point in the future because it is one of my favorites and it never really disappoints me. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have my June Boxycharm Base Box. That's right, it's June. Right. And I have the Dr. Brandt Backlit Primer. The value for that product is $38. Then I have the Haas Laboratories Glam Attack Liquid Shimmer Powder. Did I get that? No. What? I didn't get that. What is missing from here that I got? It's not a powder. It's a... Oh. This is an eyeshadow. Oh. Okay, let's do this again.